Hi, this is John from Mr. Block Tutors Math. Today we're going to look at a problem that you can work a couple ways. You can work by writing equations and then solving, substituting in one equation into the other, or you could work using setting up number charts and playing around with the numbers until you come up with the answer. Both legitimate ways to solve the problem. Here's the problem. An integer is 3 less than 5 times another. Their product is 36. Do you see the two equations? Here's the first equation. An integer is 3 less than 5 times another one. So if I take 5 times a number and subtract 3, I'll get the other number. And here's the second equation right here. Their product is 36. So x times y is 36. Now all I have to do is take what y equals, substitute into back into y. So then this becomes x times y becomes x times 5x minus 3. All I've done is substituted what y equals into y. Distribute this x, and I get 5x squared minus 3x equals 36, and then think in quadratic equations. This looks like a quadratic equation. So I'd have the 36 on the other side equal to 0. Now, probably the best way or the easiest way is to factor this. And the first two spots, I know one has to be 5x and one has to be 1x. And the last two spots have to be factors of 36. Not only that, but one has to be plus and one has to be minus. So look at the factors of 36. Well, there's 1 times 36, there's 2 times 18, there's 3 times 12, there's 4 times 9, 6 times 6. Pick out the ones where this middle part is going to add up or subtract to 3x. Well, you could make a mistake, like say take minus 2 plus 18. Well, 5 times 18 is 90. 90 minus 2 is 88. That doesn't seem to be it. Let's erase that. Try another one. How about 3 and 12? Here's negative 3x. There's 60x. 60x minus 3x is 57. That doesn't seem to be it. What if we take those and erase them or move those two around? Exchange places there. So put the 12 here and the 3 here. Now I've got negative 12x and positive 15x, which is positive 3. So let's make one more change to it. Let's add this and subtract that. Okay, there's my factored answer. So then set those factors equal to 0, and I get 5x plus 12 equals 0. But I'll throw that one out because it says that it's an integer, and I'll get the integer by solving this problem. X equals 3. Then 5x minus 3 is 12. There's my two answers. Now, that's a nice example of two equations and substituting. But I could also do this by just taking number charts and messing around with the number charts till I get the answer. Like, for instance, let's do that. Suppose I think about this and I've got some numbers. I'll say X, and there's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my other number is 3 less than 5 times another number. Well, 5 times that number would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 times the number minus 3 would be 2. 5 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. 15 minus 3 is 12. 20 minus 3 is 17. 25 minus 3 is 22. And then the last thing I want to do is, now I've got sets of numbers right here. Let's put that in a different color. There's one set of numbers. There's the other set of numbers. I'm going to multiply these two numbers and get my product. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 12 is 36. Well, there's my situation right there. 36, there's my two numbers. 3 and 12 are my two numbers. Okay, so that's how we can do that using a chart. Now, I'm available to answer questions or for tutoring. Questions or for tutoring. And you can find me at mrblocktutorsmath.com or email me a question that you're struggling with in your homework or your math class, and email me the question. I'll answer it for free. And on the Mr. Block Tutors Math, I explain what tutoring costs and so forth. But I'll answer any question for free and even send you a nice video like this. Thanks. We'll see you.